Good evening. Welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for watching my little old weather videos. I sure do appreciate you. If you don't mind at the end, please give a little thumbs up to my video. Appreciate it so much. Okay, just want to stop by with a really fast update here on the upcoming snow system we've got coming in. So before I do that, let's just go ahead and talk a little bit about the weather for the next 3 days. For tomorrow or Thursday, if you're watching this tomorrow, it'll be today. But anyway, mostly cloudy for the most part. High near 36. You're going to have a northwest wind gusting to 25, maybe a little more. It's going to make it feel like in the 20s most of the day, and there is a 50% chance of snow toward the afternoon. Tonight, mostly cloudy, or tomorrow night, mostly cloudy with snow, low around 31 or so. Wind gusts in the 20-mile-an-hour range. That's going to make it feel like the teens or possibly the low 20s for wind chills. Pretty cold. There's an 80% chance of snow, and a slushy inch or two is very possible. Very possible. Friday, mostly cloudy, some snow in the morning, high near 42 by late afternoon. There is a chance for a light rain snow mix, and I'll show you that on the model here in a minute. Light mix in the afternoon, and still gusty winds. Friday night, mostly cloudy, sprinkles, maybe a flurry or two, low around 36. Winds still going to be very gusty. Saturday, mostly cloudy, high near 45. Winds are going to be brisk and gusty, just like every other day here is. Saturday night, partly cloudy, somewhere around 35, 36 degrees. Pardon me. So that's the quick weather for us now. Now let's have a look at these models that I've got here up on the screen. All right, so this is the GFS model, and I'll scoot this all the way up so you can see it clearly. This is the typical one. This is the American model, and it's the one that we use most often because, well, it's the American model. Unless, of course, it ends up out of kilter, and then we have to look at some others. So let's take a look at this. Here we go. I'm going to start rolling it through. And you can see this is for tomorrow, midday, 12 or 1 o'clock or so, give or take a little bit. Light snow. Light snow. Excuse me. Tomorrow afternoon, light snow. And then tomorrow evening, snow's a little bit heavier. And it keeps going. There we go. And then Friday rolls around, and you saw that little bit of green there. That's definitely some sprinkles or flurries, maybe a mix possible. But over here in the mountains of West Virginia near Snowshoe, oh my goodness, we could get 1 to 2 feet of snow out of this. Wow, that would be awesome to see around here. Now I'm going to run it on through till next week. You hear I'm talking about the system coming in next week. So right now, you see the red lines. Red lines on the screen means warmer temperatures above the normal, above freezing. So this is on Monday into Tuesday. You can see that there's a little system that'll roll through. Then here comes the one for Wednesday into Thursday. You see it's got a lot of cold air to work with up to the north. But watch as it rolls through here. Right now, it's looking like it's going to be mostly just rain for us, with a little bit of wraparound flurages coming in on Black Friday of next week. But we got to wait and see. So some of the temperature models, apparently, that I don't have access to, are showing that there is a possibility for this to be in place before the rain gets here. This cold air. See all the blue lines? And all the models that I've got access to, and I've got access to about 12, I'm not seeing it yet. But we'll see. It's way too early. We're talking about a week out still. Okay. What y'all can't see is I'm having to pause the video every few minutes to have a coughing fit. But I'm getting there. Okay, so this was the GFS. Let's look at another one here. This is the NAM model. It's a little bit more detailed than the GFS. It's got higher resolution, in other words. Okay, here we go. All right. So, here comes the precipitation for Thursday morning. Maybe start off with a little mix according to what it's saying. Or not Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon. But you can quickly see that cold air rushes in. And you've got some pretty good snow squalls showing up in the area. Like right here's a really, really dark one showing up right over the Red River Gorge area. That could definitely lay down a quick accumulation there. And then a break, and then here comes the snow for Thursday night into Friday. Quite a bit heavier and quite a bit consistent. Okay. And this model doesn't go out. Okay, this is Friday. Here comes Friday. I forgot about Friday. A little bit of sprinkle mix kind of showing up. This model doesn't go out as far as the others do. It's more detailed. Let me go to the HRRR, but I want to show you on the HRRR. This is the HRR model. This is the wind chills. So watch this. So right about in here, here's the Powell County, Montgomery County, Lee, Estewolf, right around in here. Watch this. And we'll click and go through. Watch 40 degrees, 41, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 33, 32, 30, 29, 28, 27. And this is Thursday around 10 o'clock in the morning. 27 degree wind chill, 26, 25, 23. Guess what? It's going down as the day wears on. The wind is going to make it feel really, really, really cold. And still going, 21, 22, 24, 20. Get the idea? Wind chills. Going to be cold. It's going to be brutal. And I can try to show you the precipitation here with this one as well. HRRR is a really detailed model. And you can see it's a little more spotty in nature. It's not as filled in as the other models. But it's telling us that definitely going to be some little bitty snow squalls showing up. And then this is Thursday night. And then comes wrapping back around for Friday. And that's as far as it goes. All right. That's it, folks. I just wanted to stop by, do a quick update. Yes, a slushy intro tube is possible. It's not going to be overwhelming. It's not going to be super bread and milk kind of run. It's just a slushy intro tube that will melt away pretty quick once the sun comes up. The highest elevations of southeast Kentucky, they're under winter weather advisory, but we're not going to see anything heavy like that. Okay, we don't have that elevation that they do. You're talking about 3,000 or 4,000 feet of elevation, where we only have 1,900 feet here right locally. So there you go. That's it. I sure do appreciate you folks for stopping by and watching my silly little old videos. And I will try to keep you updated on what's to come next week as well. And folks, if you don't mind, keep a listen for me on WSKV 104.9 FM, our local radio station. I do the weather on there. And also in our local newspaper, I will have some articles coming out, and I'll also have some weather in the local newspaper, The Patriot. So there you go. I am the Weather Wizard. Thank you, folks, for stopping by. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember, as always, folks, Jesus loves you, and so do I. Have a wonderful night.